Business strategy is essential for any organization aiming for long-term success. It involves understanding the business environment, analyzing internal capabilities, and setting goals that align with the company's vision. A well-crafted strategy can help businesses navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to mastering business strategy. Understanding business strategy starts with recognizing its purpose. It is about making choices that will drive the business forward. Strategy helps in deciding where to compete, how to win in the marketplace, and what capabilities are needed. Through strategic planning, businesses can allocate resources effectively and prepare for future uncertainties. This process is critical for maintaining competitive advantage. A successful business strategy considers both internal and external factors. External factors include market trends, competition, and regulatory changes. Internal factors focus on the company's strengths, weaknesses, and resources. By analyzing these elements, businesses can create strategies that are realistic and achievable. This holistic approach ensures that all areas of the business work together towards common objectives. In today's dynamic business environment, strategy is not static. Companies must be ready to adapt their strategies as conditions change. This adaptability is key to staying competitive and relevant. As you follow this guide, you will learn how to develop a flexible and effective business strategy that positions your company for long-term success. The first step in strategic research is creating a comprehensive company profile. This profile serves as the foundation for all subsequent analysis. It includes vital information about the company, such as its mission, vision, and core values. Understanding these elements helps in aligning strategic decisions with the company's overarching goals. Begin by examining the company's mission statement. This statement defines the organization's purpose and primary objectives. It answers the question, why do we exist? A clear mission statement guides strategic decisions and provides a sense of direction. For example, a company with a mission to provide affordable healthcare will focus on strategies that enhance accessibility and cost effectiveness. Next, consider the company's vision. The vision statement describes what the company aspires to achieve in the future. It is a long-term goal that inspires and motivates the organization. A well-defined vision helps align all members of the organization towards common objectives. For instance, a tech company might have a vision to become a leader in artificial intelligence innovation. Additionally, the company profile should include details about products or services offered. This information helps in understanding the company's market position and competitive landscape. Outline the organizational structure to identify key roles and responsibilities. A clear organizational chart facilitates decision-making and communication within the company. With a solid company profile, you can proceed to analyze external and internal factors. External analysis involves examining factors outside the company that can impact its performance. One effective tool for this is Porter's 5 Forces model. This model helps identify the competitive forces in an industry. These forces include the threat of new entrants, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitute products, and industry rivalry. Start by assessing the threat of new entrants. New competitors can disrupt the market and reduce profitability. Consider barriers to entry, such as high capital requirements or strong brand loyalty. Next, analyze the bargaining power of suppliers and buyers. Strong suppliers can increase costs, while powerful buyers can demand lower prices. Understanding these dynamics helps in developing strategies to manage external pressures. Another useful tool is the PEST analysis, which examines political, economic, social, and technological factors. Political factors include government policies and regulations that can affect the business. Economic factors involve market trends and economic conditions that impact consumer purchasing power. Social factors consider demographic changes and consumer preferences. Technological factors explore innovations and technological advancements. By conducting a thorough external analysis, businesses can identify opportunities and threats in the environment. This information is crucial for developing strategies that capitalize on favorable conditions and mitigate risks. Recognizing these external factors allows companies to adapt quickly and maintain a competitive edge. Internal analysis focuses on understanding the company's core strengths and weaknesses. It involves examining resources, capabilities, and processes that contribute to the company's performance. A thorough internal analysis helps identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Start by analyzing the company's core resources. These include tangible assets like equipment and facilities, as well as intangible assets such as brand reputation and intellectual property. Understanding these resources is essential for leveraging them effectively in strategic planning. For instance, a strong brand can be a significant competitive advantage in a crowded market. Next, evaluate key activities and processes. These are the actions that the company performs to deliver value to customers. Efficient processes can enhance productivity and reduce costs. Identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies that may hinder performance. Streamlining operations can lead to better resource utilization and improved customer satisfaction. Capital efficiency is another critical aspect of internal analysis. Assess how effectively the company uses its financial resources to generate revenue and profits. Analyze financial statements to identify trends and areas for improvement. High capital efficiency indicates that the company is maximizing its financial potential. This analysis helps in making informed decisions about investments and resource allocation. By conducting a comprehensive internal analysis, businesses can uncover strengths to build upon and weaknesses to address. This information is vital for crafting strategies that align with the company's capabilities and goals. With a clear understanding of internal factors, companies can position themselves for success in the competitive landscape. Section 5: Stakeholder Analysis. Identifying interests. Stakeholder analysis is a crucial step in strategic planning. It involves identifying individuals or groups that have an interest in the company's activities and decisions. Understanding stakeholder needs and expectations helps in building strong relationships and ensuring ethical practices. Begin by listing all potential stakeholders. These include internal stakeholders like employees and managers, as well as external stakeholders such as customers, suppliers, investors, and the community. Each stakeholder group has different interests and priorities. For example, employees may prioritize job security and career development, while customers focus on product quality and value. Next, assess the level of influence each stakeholder has on the company. Some stakeholders, like major investors, may have a significant impact on strategic decisions. Others, like community organizations, may have less direct influence but are still important to consider. Understanding the power dynamics helps in prioritizing stakeholder engagement efforts. Ethical considerations are also vital in stakeholder analysis. Companies must ensure that their strategies align with ethical principles and societal values. This involves considering the potential impact of business decisions on stakeholders and the environment. For instance, a company expanding its operations should assess the environmental impact and work towards sustainable practices. By conducting a stakeholder analysis, businesses can develop strategies that address the needs and concerns of all stakeholders. This approach fosters trust and collaboration, which are essential for long-term success. Engaging stakeholders effectively can lead to better decision-making and enhanced corporate reputation. Section 6: Conducting a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a powerful tool for summarizing the findings from external and internal analyses. It helps identify the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This comprehensive overview provides valuable insights for strategic planning. Start by listing the company's strengths. These are the internal attributes that give the company a competitive edge. Strengths may include a strong brand, skilled workforce, innovative products, or efficient processes. Identifying strengths helps in leveraging them to achieve strategic goals. Next, consider the company's weaknesses. These are internal factors that may hinder performance. Weaknesses could be outdated technology, limited financial resources, or lack of market presence. Recognizing weaknesses is crucial for developing strategies to address them and minimize their impact. Opportunities are external factors that the company can capitalize on. These could include emerging market trends, technological advancements, or changes in consumer preferences. Identifying opportunities helps in crafting strategies to capture new markets and drive growth. For example, a company might explore digital transformation to enhance customer experience. Finally, assess the threats facing the company. These are external challenges that could negatively affect performance, such as intense competition, regulatory changes, or economic downturns. Understanding threats helps in developing contingency plans and risk management strategies. A thorough SWOT analysis provides a clear picture of the company's strategic position and informs decision-making. Section 7. Developing a strategic plan. With a comprehensive understanding of the business environment, the next step is developing a strategic plan. This plan outlines the company's goals, objectives, and the actions needed to achieve them. It serves as a roadmap for the organization, guiding decision-making and resource allocation. Begin by setting clear, measurable goals. These goals should align with the company's mission and vision. For example, a goal could be to increase market share by 10% within the next year. Setting specific targets helps in tracking progress and evaluating success. Next, identify the strategies needed to achieve these goals. Strategies are the high-level approaches the company will take to reach its objectives. For instance, a company might focus on product innovation or market expansion. It is important to prioritize strategies based on their potential impact and feasibility. Actionable steps are the specific tasks required to implement the strategies. These steps should be detailed and assign responsibilities to individuals or teams. For example, launching a new marketing campaign might involve tasks such as market research, content creation, and advertising. A clear action plan ensures that everyone understands their role in achieving strategic goals. Finally, establish mechanisms for monitoring progress. This involves setting key performance indicators, or KPIs, and regular reviews to assess performance. KPIs help in measuring success and identifying areas for improvement. By developing a strategic plan with clear, actionable steps, companies can navigate challenges and pursue opportunities effectively. Section 8. The importance of reliable data and continuous updates. In the realm of business strategy, reliable data is a cornerstone of effective decision-making. Accurate data informs strategic choices and helps organizations understand both internal dynamics and external market conditions. However, in today's fast-paced business environment, data can quickly become obsolete. Therefore, continuous updates are essential to ensure that the strategic plan remains relevant and effective. Begin by gathering data from credible sources. These could include industry reports, market research, financial statements, and customer feedback. Reliable data provides a solid foundation for analyzing trends and making informed decisions. It is crucial to verify the authenticity of the data and cross-check information from multiple sources. Once data is collected, regular updates are necessary to capture changes in the business environment. This involves monitoring market trends, competitor activities, and regulatory developments. Businesses should establish processes for ongoing data collection and analysis. For instance, using analytics tools can help in tracking real-time data and identifying emerging trends. Additionally, businesses should embrace a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Encourage teams to stay informed about industry developments and explore new opportunities. This proactive approach ensures that the company can adjust its strategies as needed. By prioritizing reliable data and continuous updates, organizations can enhance their strategic decision-making and maintain a competitive edge. Section 9. Embracing cross-functional insights and planning. Cross-functional insights are invaluable in strategic planning. They involve collaboration between different departments and functions within the organization. By leveraging diverse perspectives, businesses can develop more comprehensive and innovative strategies. Begin by fostering a culture of collaboration. Encourage open communication and information sharing across departments. For example, marketing, finance, and operations teams can work together to identify new market opportunities and optimize resource allocation. Regular cross-functional meetings can facilitate the exchange of ideas and insights. Scenario planning is a valuable tool for exploring cross-functional insights. It involves developing different scenarios based on potential future events and assessing their impact on the business. This approach helps in identifying risks and opportunities that may not be apparent from a single perspective. For instance, a company might develop scenarios for different economic conditions and plan accordingly. By embracing cross-functional insights, businesses can create strategies that are well-rounded and adaptable. This approach enhances decision-making by considering the interdependencies between different functions. It also fosters innovation by encouraging diverse thinking and problem-solving. Incorporating cross-functional insights into strategic planning can lead to more robust and effective strategies. Section 10. Sustainability, Ethics and Technology in Business Strategy. Incorporating sustainability and ethical considerations into business strategy is becoming increasingly important. Consumers and stakeholders are demanding more responsible and transparent practices. Additionally, technology and data analytics play a crucial role in enhancing strategic research and execution. Sustainability involves adopting practices that minimize environmental impact and promote long-term resource efficiency. Businesses should consider the environmental implications of their operations and explore sustainable alternatives. For example, using renewable energy sources or reducing waste can enhance sustainability. Aligning strategies with environmental goals can also improve brand reputation and customer loyalty. Ethics are equally important in guiding strategic decisions. Companies must ensure that their strategies align with ethical principles and societal values. This includes considering the impact of business activities on stakeholders and the community. Ethical practices build trust and credibility, which are vital for long-term success. Technology and data analytics provide valuable tools for strategic research. Advanced analytics can uncover insights from vast amounts of data, enabling better decision-making. For instance, predictive analytics can forecast market trends and consumer behavior. Technology also facilitates communication and collaboration, enhancing the efficiency of strategic planning processes. By incorporating sustainability, ethics, and technology into business strategy, companies can create value for stakeholders and society. This approach ensures that strategies are not only profitable but also responsible and forward-thinking. Embracing these elements is essential for thriving in today's complex business landscape.